Hello, my name is James, and today I'm going to be teaching you 3 things about triangles. One of them will be the different kinds of triangles. The other 2 things will be how to find the missing angle of a triangle and how to find the area of a triangle. First, I will show you how to identify the different triangles. First, you'll kind of need to know what they are. Isosceles kind of look like this, and they have 2 equal sides and angles. While the 2 equal sides and angles are the same, one is not. Next is scalene. Scalene means that there are no angles that are the same or sides that are the same. Everything is unequal. Then there's the equilateral. They have all 3 sides and angles equal. So they look kind of like that shaded one. Then there's the obtuse triangles. This has nothing to do with equality. It just has something to do with how big the angles are. If it is bigger than a right angle, which is 90 degrees, and looks something like that, then it is obtuse. Also, you can identify right triangles with that sign right there. It also looks like a side of a square. So that's how you can identify the right triangles. Also, there's one other triangle, and it's called an acute triangle. It's pretty much just where all the sides are less than 90 degrees. Once again, nothing to do with equality. Now I will be teaching you how to see them. Actually, I will be seeing if you know how to identify them. Okay, let's see. What is this triangle? It is obtuse because of its greater than 90-degree angle right there. Now, how about this one? This is an isosceles because of its 2 angles and sides that are equal. And lastly, what about this one? This one is a 90-degree triangle, so it's a right triangle. Okay, that was easy. Now, we're going to move on to a little bit more difficult one. This is how to solve for the missing angle of a triangle. So, how to solve for a missing angle of a triangle is very easy. You just add up the 2 sides that are already existing, and then subtract them from a total of 180. Since all the triangle's angles have to add up to 180, they will go from the other 2 angles to that one angle that is missing. Here are a few problems. A 100-degree angle and a 65-degree angle. We will add them together, and they will have a 165-degree angle. When subtracted from 180, they will give us the answer. Let's see. I believe it is 15. Now, can you solve this one? If you add up 75 and 50, you get 125. Then, you'll subtract that from 180. And I'll let you do the math for a second. The answer is 55. Now, for this one, 110 degrees and 30 degrees and x degrees. You get 140. And then, turns out, x is a 40-degree angle. That was pretty easy. So now we are going to be going on to one of the most difficult ones out of these three. How to find the area of a triangle. To find the area of any triangle, you take the length and the height, multiply them together, and divide them by 2. Let's see, what about this one? The length of 4 feet and a height of 3 feet, multiply to 12 feet. Then if you divide them by 2, then you will get an area of 6 feet squared. Yes. Now for this one, 2 times 4 divided by 2. 2 times 4 is 8, divided by 2 is 4. And now for this one, which I thought might be a little more difficult. 6 and 100 inches. 6 inches multiplied by 100 inches is 600 inches. Then you will divide it by 2, and you will get, do the math for a second, 300 inches squared. That is all for today's lesson. Thank you for tuning in. My name is James Carter, and this is my geometry project. Thank you.